Hey, what's up? This is Joseph and welcome to Photofox Basics. Today we're going to learn about the artistic feature. So let's begin. The first tool is Urban, which creates a black and white threshold of your image, mixing it with different textures, creating a very cool effect. You can use one of the many presets, or you can create your own one, like this one I made, which has no texture yet. If you tap on Tools and then Basic, you'll find these tools that allows you to control the black and white threshold. Balance, for example, will determine the amount of black or white on the image. Smooth will give the shapes a more sharp or rounded corners. And Restore lets you define how close it will be to the original photo or how flat it will be. Then we have Colors, since it doesn't really have to be black or white. Backdrop is the texture that will be added to the composition. And blending, as you already know from previous lessons, is the way that this texture will blend into the image. There are many combinations that you can do with this feature, so the best way to master it is by experimenting with it. The next tool is Effects, which is basically a brush with many crazy themes. You can control the size of your brush or the opacity. And you can erase it, of course. The last tool is Doodle, which works exactly like Effects, but in this case, the brushes are more like an actual brush. And you can change the color. Very easy to use. And there you go, you just learned about artistic. So congratulations, you just finished the first level of Photofox lessons. On the next level, we'll be learning very cool techniques, basics about composition, how to get inspired, and a lot more. So see you at the next lesson.